Does your child snore, and what could this indicate? First of all, snoring is absolutely not normal in children. One of the causes of snoring could be a base of tongue obstruction. If your child has a small lower jaw and there's no room for the tongue, it could block the airway. The other common cause of snoring is upper airway problems such as large adenoids, deviated septums, inflamed turbinates, and the big one, allergies. So if your child snores, it's important to seek advice from an ear, nose and throat doctor and possibly an orthodontist to help improve their airway.